Hello, everyone. In this episode, we'll be transferring your Canva book design to Google Docs. We have a lot to cover, so let's get started. When you try to preview your book in Amazon's Kindle Reader Preview, you'll become immediately frustrated that your work looks like a pile of garbage. Even if you change the PDF file to a Word file, you'll lose the illustrations in the Kindle Preview. Therefore, you must do this in order for your work to look exactly how you designed it. First, create your design in Canva. Add all the illustrations and text you need for your script, and make sure everything looks perfect. Next, download your Canva design as a PDF. This will ensure that your design looks great when you insert it into your Google Docs document. Open a new document in Google Docs and adjust the margins to your desired size. This will ensure that your design fits neatly into your document and looks professional. With the margins set, it's time to insert your Canva design into the Google Docs document. Take a screenshot of each page of the PDF design and insert the images into the document. Be sure to adjust the size of the images so that they fit neatly. Once you've inserted all your images and your text, make sure to adjust the formatting as needed to ensure that your script looks professional and is easy to read. Finally, adjust the margins again if necessary, then save it to a Word file. By doing this, your work will now look like how it was intended on the Kindle Reader Preview. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily transfer your Canva design to Google Docs and create stunning scripts with illustrations that will impress your readers. Start creating your next masterpiece today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next installment. Looking forward to seeing you again. Take care and all the best.